Day trading in 2025. High risk, high reward, and high profit potential if you know what you're doing. The best part, the modern market has extremely low barriers to entry. Pretty much anyone can start. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need $1 million account. Just a trading screen, some strategy, and a bit of guts. So if you want to take the plunge, here are 4 steps to get you started on the right foot this year. All right, let's do it.
Day trading is all about buying and selling within the same trading day, opening and closing your positions before each session's closing bell. Now, day trading is popular because margin requirements are much lower than standard margins. This lets you trade with less money and maximize your capital efficiency. Now, best of all, you can day trade futures, CFDs, forex, and crypto. Stocks? Yeah, you can day trade stocks, but watch out for pattern day trader rules. They usually mean that you need a much bigger account. That's day trading. That's all it is. Simple, right?
Okay, step 1 is to line up your tech. Now you can trade with a laptop, a phone, or a big desktop like most professionals have. But remember, you need a fast internet connection and you need a viable computing device. If your phone's old and it's slow, you need to upgrade. If your laptop is more of a paperweight than a laptop, you need to upgrade. Remember, it's important that you can get in and out of the markets. Your tech is your lifeline to the modern marketplace. Step 1 is line up your tech.
Step 2, get your money right. Think you need thousands of dollars to start trading? Nope. You can start with as little as $50 of real money. That's it. A big part of getting your money right is to find a reputable broker, someone who's got your back in the live market. Switch Markets is a solid option if you're looking to get a head start over the competition. Now here's a pro tip. Before you throw your own cash in the ring, start on demo. Learn the ropes in the demo market, then go live. Here's another pro tip. Begin slow. Play small and level up. Learn to master the game one trade at a time. If you get your money right, you can get in the game from a position of strength. All right, on to step 3. Step 3, strategize. Your strategy is the way that you're going to engage the market. It's going to be your determinant of profit and loss. It's going to be how you reach your goals. Now, the thing about strategy is this. The way that you trade isn't going to be the way that I trade. Select a strategy that's intuitive and easy for you to understand, maybe even one that you're excited about. Now, we have the How to Trade YouTube channel. That's where you're watching this video right now. Over the last year, we've put out a tremendous number of strategy videos. And the reason why we've done that is because each one of these videos is going to provoke a thought in someone's mind, and it will be strategically viable for them to move forward. So if you're a price action trader and don't want to use indicators, maybe something like Trade the Break or intraday trend lines are for you. If you're interested in more of a systems approach, maybe you're looking at something like the forex orb or the 9 EMA with Fibonacci's. It really all is up to you. Just remember, your keys to winning with a strategy is it's got to be intuitive and it has to make sense to you. Nothing else really matters. Step 4, design your trading day. Remember, it's your trading day, so it's your call. Pick the markets and assets that fit your time zone and lifestyle. Remember to make it as convenient as possible. So if you're in Japan, take a look at the yen and the Nikkei. If you're in London, the FTSE and the pound are good picks. And if you're in New York, check out the USD and American large cap stocks. And no matter where you are, remember, crypto is always an option. Start slow, find your flow, then build from there.
These 4 steps will get you started trading in 2025. Now secure some computing power, get your money right, pick a strategy, and design your trading day. You do those 4 things and you're officially up and running. Now here's a pro tip. Start small and take your time. The learning never stops and patience is everything in this game. Best of luck. All right, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.